ऐसे कौन से 5 signs हैं, एंड आई एम गोना कॉल देम 5 hidden signs that a man never talks about. वो कभी इसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे जस्ट बिकॉज दे थिंक कि दे विल बी इन अ ब्रैकेट. अब वो कौन सा ब्रैकेट होता है? अ ब्रैकेट जिसमें बोला जाता है कि men are, oh you're so old fashioned, oh you're just your thinking is so old school. Well, so without further delay, let me get on to the first hidden sign that a man looks for in a woman when he is looking for a long steady committed relationship. So of course ये ऐसे 5 signs हैं जो man एक women में definitely ढूंढते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें एक लॉन्ग टर्म कमिटेड रिलेशनशिप चाहिए. नंबर 1, a man should be feeling extremely confident and trusting the partner that she will be able to gel with the family and friends. A man should be confident to present the partner to his family, अपने friends के सामने, अपने colleagues के सामने, because in general, please understand, men are very ऐसे अपनी relationships को लेके they're very private. एंड जब एक इतना बड़ा स्टेप लेना होता है कि आपको एक कमिटमेंट देना है एंड अ लाइफ लॉन्ग कमिटमेंट वेयर यू प्लान टू बी विद द गर्ल एज इन अ मैरिज मे बी, देन आपको जो पहला स्टेप आप सोचते हैं वो ये होता है कि लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस हर टू माई फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, ऑफिस कॉलीग्स. उस समय if as a woman, as a girl, you give the man the confidence that yes, I am there by your side and we are ready to take this step and let's go and meet the family, friends you are very close to. So men would never talk about it, but ye hamesha, they always look for the kind of girl or that particular जो उनके दिमाग में एक वो रहता है कि this is the kind of girl I want, who I can take to my family. Moving on to point number 2. Men like to look for a quality in a woman. अब ये एक hidden quality है. Of course, they will not talk about it. But they will always be on a lookout कि, I wish my girl takes interest in the kind of sport I'm interested in. For example, अब अगर boys and men are interested in cricket, yeah, football, it could be any other sport, for that matter, video game as well. So, kahin pe, if their partner, the girl or the woman, develops some sort of taste or interest, कि अच्छा ठीक है, okay, you know what, I would sit with him, I would watch this for some time, या चलो मैं इस game को understand तो करती हूँ. Recently I just started developing interest for video games. मुझे लगता था मैंने सिर्फ Super Mario खेला है, and that's like, wow. But there are just so many other interesting video games, and then boys really like it. So in a long-term steady committed relationship, men always look for this particular quality अपने partner में वो ढूंढते हैं कि अगर common grounds पे कोई ऐसा interest develop हो जाए, it just becomes so much easy, right? कि Friday night, Saturday night, you would just plan something. It could be movies also, same kind of music taste or any games. It's fun. Okay, moving on to point number 3. अब this point will sound very very cliched. आप कहेंगे कि नीति ये तो तुम बहुत ही old fashioned sound कर रही हो, but trust me, any long term committed relationship अगर आपने देखी है तो ये सारी qualities men really look for in their partner. Now, this quality is about cooking. And trust me, अगर आपके पास as a girl, as a woman, if you don't have time, बहुत busy आपका work schedule है, and you're not interested in cooking, ये मैं नहीं कह रही कि you have to cook every day, but maybe weekend pay, or maybe once in a while, or maybe any occasion, just to make him feel special. कुछ तो मतलब रेसिपी देख के ही अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत कुछ कुकिंग कर लें, it is just making your man feel special. So cooking से कोई कम नहीं हो जाता. Cooking doesn't put you at a lower level कि oh my god, I'm so old fashioned, I can't cook. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. In today's day and age, even men love to cook, and so do women. But this is just, I'm talking about 5 hidden qualities that a man would like in his partner for a long-term, steady, committed relationship. So yes, मैं जितना old-fashioned sound करूँ, but yes, cooking is one very, very important aspect. Moving on to point number 4. Another hidden quality a man looks for in a woman. अब ये क्या है? A man should feel heard in a relationship. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर आप एक कमिटेड रिलेशनशिप में ऑलरेडी हैं और एज अ मैन यू वांट टू टेक इट फॉरवर्ड, तो एक क्वालिटी यूजुअली मेन दे लुक फॉर इन अ वुमन, और वो होती है कि शी शुड बी एबल टू से येस टू वॉट आई एम सेइंग, या वो मेरी बात सुन भी रही है कि नहीं. एम आई फीलिंग हर्ड और अनहर्ड ऑल द टाइम. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है रिलेशनशिप में, कि एंड आई हैव सीन दिस, आउट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑल्सो विद अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली आई हैव सीन अराउंड कि इन अ कमिटेड रिलेशनशिप women at the end of the day as a female हम थोड़े से dominating हो जाते हैं, और कभी कभी हम प्यार से अगर कुछ बोलते हैं तो men are straight, simple, sweet, वो बात मान जाते हैं. बट कभी कभी हमें उसको रेसिप्रोकेट भी करना है. वी हैव टू रिस्पॉन्ड ऑल्सो, राइट? सो एज अ वुमेन, व्हेन वी स्टार्ट लिसनिंग टू देम सर्टन इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस जो आप दोनों को साथ साथ लेने हैं, एंड इफ यू कीप सेइंग कि नहीं, नो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माई वे, नो मेरी बात सुननी है, द मैन एट सम पॉइंट स्टार्ट्स फीलिंग कि मेरे बोलने का फायदा क्या है? व्हाट इज द पॉइंट इन सेइंग समथिंग व्हेन आई एम ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी फेल्ट अनहर्ड. So it's very, very important for a nice committed relationship and a long-term one. अगर आप कुछ एक आगे step लेने जा रहे हैं, a man would always look for this quality in a woman. And again, these are hidden qualities because no man really talks about it or says it. But as a woman, I think we can make a little effort here and there. Okay, moving on to point number 5. From a man's point of view. And that is कि as a partner, he looks at someone who will be able to run the household. And in future, if you don't have kids right now, you're not married, but at some point you do plan to, will the woman or the girl be interested in raising kids and running a household? मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि every woman has to be a homemaker. Absolutely not. I know that you are very, ambitious and you're just out there working hard. But hey, you know what? At the end of the day, this is how women are made. We are multifaceted, right? We are blessed with a quality कि हम एक बार में बहुत सारे काम कर सकते हैं. And men know that. So this is a quality they look for. कि even though you're a homemaker or you're working, whether you have never worked in your life and you're about to get married, a man would always look for a woman who is able to still give time, कि आप थोड़ा सा तो टाइम निकाल सकती हैं अपने हाउसहोल्ड के लिए, to run a home and to also take care of kids. Because a woman's touch when it comes to managing home or kids is always different, a little different from a man, right? So these were 5 hidden signs or qualities that a man looks in a woman जब वो एक पॉइंट पे आ जाते हैं कि अब मुझे इस कमिटमेंट को एक स्टेप और देना है, एंड लेट्स मेक इट अ लॉन्ग टर्म steady relationship. So maybe girls and women can you can just keep all these points in mind. Men at the end of the day are simple and black and white, and women are extremely understanding. So I hope this has helped you, and I hope you all have a long lasting happily ever after. And I'll be back with some more interesting relationship videos to share with you guys. So thank you so much for taking out time to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, just give a ding, and I'll be back. See you soon.